What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by yet again. Bienvenidos, mi gente hispana, latina, all of us Spanish-speaking people. Welcome to my channel. So remember that eyelash serum that I told you guys about? This is it. This is what it looks like. It's called Besito eyelash serum. So I use these on my eyelashes. This one, they're getting longer, I feel. I do notice a bigger difference when I put my mascara on. My eyebrows were the ones that really like, oh my god, they started growing like right away. So this one was pretty, it's not expensive at all. It's like pretty cheap. It's on Amazon. I'll put the link below again. My previous video also has the link, but if you guys are looking to regrow your lashes or your eyebrows or simply take care of your lashes and your brows, this is pretty cool. This is the new foundation and concealer. It is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer and Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. We're gonna try this today. We're using this today. I think one of the concealers that I ended up getting was a little bit too dark, but it had a peachy tone. I know you're not supposed to swatch it at the store, but I do it. I don't open it. If it's open, I'll try it. If not, I'll leave it alone and I just kind of guess. But the colors that I was looking through, almost everything is always open at Walmart already. So I ended up getting two colors for the concealers. So these are the colors right here. I hope those really work out like really good. And I have decided that for this Valentine's Day makeup look, we are going to create a grown and sexy type of look. Now, I don't know what that's going to be, but I kind of have an idea of a grown and sexy look that I'm thinking about. If you guys want to see this Valentine's Day look, then let's get started and keep watching. Ariana Grande's new album just came out and bitch, it is good. It's so good. This song, you got me some type of way. Okay, so now that our eye look is done, we are going to try the L'Oreal foundations that are new. So one is $470 and the other one is $480. Yeah, $470 is definitely darker. Oh, this looks so great on the skin. I am not even kidding. Like you see that, right? I'm not crazy. Look at that. And I'm still on that first like pump. And I still have the rest of it on the back of my hand. And it's 24-hour wear. Oh my God. It's just like, this is amazing. Like you get all of the benefits of full coverage makeup without having to feel like full coverage. Like this looks amazing. I mean, I still see my freckles, but I've only used like half my pump. I still have all of the foundation on here. I'm gonna do a little bit of that 470. See how it looks. I'm excited to see what the concealer is going to be like. Like, please, affordable makeup. Amazing. Okay. So I need to keep like re-wetting my beauty blender just because when it's dry, it just does not work for me. Okay, so these are the concealers. I ended up getting 370 Biscuit and 345 Oatmeal. I like the doe foot applicator. It reminds me of Shape Tape. So I'm not bringing my concealer all the way up. I'm just dropping it like right where I usually put my shadow under. I'm not going to do heavy under eyeshadow. I'm just going to do like a light color, but still. Not bad with the color. I think I put very little concealer on, but I have the other one that I'm going to go back in with. I still see a little bit of those blue veins that I have under my my face, but no biggie. Yeah, Oatmeal is a little light. A lot of light. I love how much luminosity it has. So when people say luminosity, it means that like you can see just that your skin is very hydrated and you can see a very very light sheen to it. And I just like to like respray my face and then just pat everything down. I am going to give both of these an A++. Like I really love that. All right, warm color. So I'm just going to do that warm color. I'm not going to go in with a deeper one just because I kind of just want a glow for today. So with that being said, I'm going in with my my MAC bronzing powder, Baby Girl. This is the Aaliyah collection. And I'm just going to pick this up and I'm just going to go in the same areas. Just tapping. Just kind of like. the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow, and I'm just going to set this area, and that's all I am going to do. So this is pretty cool. I'm glad I figured out how to use it because it really is amazing for just like overall giving you that like natural healthy skin glow instead of like using it as baking powder, because that's not what it is. I ended up putting my lashes off camera, not intentionally. My camera died. I put my lashes on already. These are just those Christina lashes. These are just like very see-through. These complement your natural lash, so these are like my favorite kind of lashes where you can still see all of the beautiful shadow through these lashes. So I did that. I just put a little bit of that first eyeshadow, the lightest shadow, under my eyes, just so, you know, like just so it doesn't look so emptied out. And now we're going to go in with a little bit of blush. A little bit of blush. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to use these Jeffree Star. I'm excited to use the Jeffree Star brushes tomorrow. I'm just gonna pick up a dome brush, and the blush that I am using is Luminoso by Milani. This is one of my favorite colors. I ended up getting this after I saw the Jaclyn Hill, like I think it was like a drugstore haul video she did. But yes, like I love it. I love like shimmery, not shimmery, but like illuminating blushes. This one's amazing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of color. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the glow powder. This is Z Morphe M501. This is like the perfect highlight. And I'm using the Amrezy highlighter. All you have to do is just place your brush there and it will do the rest. Press everything in again. On my lips, these juicy lips, I have been using, like, I think I found my favorite lip product, a Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. So this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips, just, you know, like type of lip product. It has this beautiful pink color that I love, but I just love how hydrating it leaves my lips. And then also I have the KKW Beauty liner in pink 3. So I just have this on the outer parts of my lip just to frame it. I just applied it like this. I hope you guys rock this look for your Valentine's Day date. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Muchas gracias, mi gente, por mirar este video. Espero que les encantó este look. Es muy fácil, es algo romántico para el día de San Valentín. So espero que lo porten y les encante. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you guys so much. Los quiero mucho. Y como siempre, as always, adiós.